Welcome to another Tableau tutorial video. I'm Weston Palmer. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to deal with the annoying ABC placeholder. Before I get started though, I want to say thank you to all my Patreon supporters for supporting me in making these videos. Knowing that it brings value to you makes it worth it to me. Alright, let's get to the video. So you've got a situation where you have the ABCs showing up here. There's a couple ways to handle it, and if you go out, you'll see a lot of them. Let me give you my thoughts. Here's a quick one that I had just recently learned. Changing it to polygon, right? Instead of automatic, changing it to polygon. Two things that I'm concerned about with this one. The first one is when you change it to polygon, you lose the row shading. And oftentimes, if I have a table, I want that row shading. The other one I've read about says that polygon uses up more computing resources. To be honest, I haven't noticed any impact in performance, so that one's not as much of a concern to me, but losing the shading is. The other one, let me put it back to automatic. The other one that is most common is you move this really close so that it disappears. I'm leaving it open a little bit here just so you see, but you have to get I don't know if you can see it, there's just a little bit of something showing up there. The one thing you can pull this closer to make it completely disappear. You can see there now there's no piece of the ABC is showing. The one issue I have with that, and it's just a nit, one issue I have with that is, I don't know if you can see, but this Washington State counties, that is getting cut off. And for whatever reason, maybe it's just me, but to open that up so that it's wraps and has two levels, I don't have very good luck if just grabbing it under the header and pulling that down. It's only when I'm going to back up because maybe I've screwed something up. It's only when I pull it down on the data pane here that I actually pull it down and it really seems to resize like I'm expecting. Yeah, you can resize it and then you can hide it up again. One thing that I've found recently that actually might work well with the smaller column width is going to color and changing from opacity, sorry about that. Change it to 0 and that makes them disappear. It also keeps the shading and allows you to move the bar up and down. Obviously, the one issue with this is then you've got a lot of width here, it's dead space, you don't really need it. So I often use a combination of the two, hide that, or change the height, and then just make it smaller. So you do have a little bit of a buffer, but it's not so small that you can't grip and change the header height. Now, if you go online, you're going to see this idea as well. As people are going to suggest, I'll just back it up a couple. They're going to suggest, hey, come in here, create a field, and just put an empty space, right? And they say, hey, grab that and put that on text, and it disappears. The one thing I don't like about that is now you have another calculated field in here. It just seems like I don't know. I just don't like that approach. I'd much rather go with the color and change it so you don't have the color. All right, there's a couple ways of handling the ABC. I'm sure you guys out there have heard of other ones. Why don't you leave those down in the comments, and that way everybody can benefit from your knowledge. See you next time. Thanks for watching. I hope you'll subscribe and turn on notifications so you know when new videos are released. Check out some of these other videos I think you'll find helpful.